Are you showing off?
Areas of deserts that have not had any recorded water sources for over 9-month-long periods. So you may ask yourself, how do these guys survive? They're going to survive by taking advantage of natural resources in their environment that none of the other animals are paying attention to. That means these guys are going to eat thorn bushes, cactuses, rotting wood, even carcasses.
Baby, Jack, get down there, Mom.
Oh, you're not getting a slushies. Pet it, Jack. You said you want a turtle.
Have you touched the turtle?
Come on, sit down.
We're gonna die here.
Oh, pet it, Julia. Pet it.
Jack, look at me.
And you're not allowed to pet it. You just. Julia, don't. Just.
Alright, we're ready.
Julia, stop screaming. Because they don't like loud noise.
These guys are heavy.
What am I?
Oh, they just took away.
Just took it away. And it just peed on me.
That's sad.
Wait, pick up the cup.
I'm not picking up the cup.
Pick up the cup, Julia.
No.
Oh, they're so big on you.
I know.
I've got your video. It's so cute. Ah, he's got leaning at me. Look. Look.
No, okay, fine.
Just like me.
You like me, do you?
Daddy.
Should we just take it home?
Kinda.
Send that one.
Let's go.
Lick my hands.
Oh, wait. I can see that food, okay? See that food.
Put some in your hand. Put some in your sister's hand.
Okay, sorry. Maybe. Yeah.
Then just feed it.
Yeah, just feed it.
I don't feed that big cat.
Down next to its mouth.
Oh, that's the best one.
It's bones.
That's the best one.
Hey.
Great idea to be in the shade here. By the way,